Hello, everyone. Hello, wherever you are in any parts of the world. To all my subscribers, thank you and welcome to my compilation of my video for today. And it's all about beautiful places and most touristic place in the world. Yeah, but what I'm going to tell you now is, you know, I just wanted to express how I feel when it comes to monetization. I've been monetized since 2020. Yeah. So, and unfortunately, I only receive my, they called it YouTube salary, one and only, which means, the first and the last. It's the reason of definitely less views, and and second is about my location is not monetizing. When you watch YouTube, so that's the saddest thing. That's the worst thing in my location. It's not accepting monetization. Yeah, there it allows to be viewed. However, when it comes to monetizing it, it doesn't, or it's not allowed. That's the sad reality of my location. The other thing, or the other reason also, is about maybe the content that I had. And because my content, it's very boring, and it's not very interesting. However, I believe that my videos are in a good quality. My videos are in good shape, and it's about very nice videos, very interesting places that I am uh, uh, using as my video. However, it's very boring. Maybe that's one of the reason, because if you're going to look at into my analytics, it was very low when it comes to analytics, because analytics is more on locations, the type of viewers that you had, and unfortunately the type of viewers that I had is coming from this country, and again, it's not monetized. But that's a very sad reality. However, I am still motivated. I am still, you know, going to continue doing the things that I love doing. And I will continue this because I believe that one day I will going to be monetized once I'll be out in this place. Because here you cannot make money. That's the reality. No money here when it comes to your YouTube channel. So very sad. It's so sad. And what to do? No, it is what it is. And my only consolation is if I go to other places, then that's the only thing. Plus, my viewers. Again, it's more coming from this place, so it doesn't make sense, that you will be monetized in every videos that going to watch from you or from me. Yeah, so although how beautiful the video is, how interesting it is, But still, it doesn't make sense. That's 100% guarantee. Now, my only consolation is, well, if I'll be out from here, then I will go to a place wherein YouTube has been monetized. Oh my god, it seems that this is the only job that I had, huh? That's why I want to go out from here and look for a place wherein I can be monetized. Though I am already monetized, my friends. No, I am already monetized, but I had only 1,282 subscriber, and I maintain it. Then it goes up, down, up, down. So yeah, it's been almost 3 years now since my monetization of my channel. And when it comes to income, salary from YouTube, yeah, the first and the last that I was receiving, and that was 2020. Oh my goodness, amazing. But anyhow, as I've said, well, let's stop doing this. I will continue to some videos, uploading, do some premiere every Wednesday at 6 o'clock in the evening. It's my premiere night or premiere time. I'm still going to do that as I move forward. Definitely, one day I will be reaching the stars up there, and be able to enjoy the beauty of YouTube, the beauty of YouTube when it comes to monetization. So please subscribe to my channel, continue to watch, don't skip every ads on it, please. if your country where you are watching, the monetization is allowed, then please continue doing that. I am very much thankful to you, my subscriber, and my future subscribers, to please subscribe to Isla di Paraiso. So once again, I am inviting everyone to subscribe to Isla di Paraiso. Thank you.